Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Translate voice to male voice on your iPhone. The voice settings are not inside the Google Translate app, so I will show you where to find them. First, open the Google Translate app on your iPhone. You don't need to change anything here right now, just keep it in mind because you will test a new voice after changing settings. Now close the app and open your settings. This is where the real voice change happen because Google Translate use your iPhone's system voice. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Inside accessibility, find and tap spoken content. This is the section where your iPhone stores all the voice used. Now tap voices. You will see a list of languages like English, Hindi, Spanish, Nepali, Chinese, and many more. Tap the language you use in Google Translate normal English. Tap on voice. You will find many voices like male voice 1, male voice 2, CD male, voice 3 male. Tap any male voice you want. If you need to download, tap download and wait for a moment. Then tap the voice again to check if on your default. Go back once, step to spoken content. Use the speaking rate slider to make the voice slower or faster. This affects the Google Translate speaking voice too. Now reopen Google Translate. Tap the speaker icon. Type anything like hello or how are you. Tap the speaker icon next to the translation. You will now hear the male voice you selected from the setting. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.